early to put on my... Yup, I think it's done for. Barely revving. Yeah. At least it's not knocking, or so I hope. I think it's knocking. I don't know what it is with me and motors blowing, but it's just becoming a trend and I can't afford this trend. Anyways, what we're moving on to is just draining the oil. The idea is to take a look at the oil, see if we have any shavings. The motor is knocking. Not sure if it's rod knock, maybe it's, what is the other thing Subarus do? Like something with the timing belt, whatever, just knocking somewhere else, who knows. Gotta take a look into it. We're gonna take the oil filter, cut it open. If we got metal shavings, then I might just go on market for a new motor. But yeah, it's becoming expensive. So much for reliable daily. My phone?
Yep, look at it. Get it. Bah! If you have a crack, it's already in there. Check this out. Is this engine mount? No.
Oh no. My phone's cooked. Can you clean this, please?
Yeah. I think this is
There's coolant in my phone. Here's the clutch. You can see pry bar marks right here.
Yeah. Look at all the pry
Right
bar
here.
shavings. Look at all the shavings off the pry bar.
Off the paint of the pry bar.
Look inside in the trans. Everything. This is hours of pry bar.
Hopefully we didn't damage the throwout bearing. That seems alright. I actually don't know. Why is it like that?
I'm not sure. This looks like shavings.
Interesting. Hopefully I recorded that.
Hey, I mean, wait, where's the linkage to it? Right here.
Up there. Everything's fine. The clutch. This is what we were most worried about. The basket and the pilot bearing.
It's a pretty cool basket. What an interesting design.
It's low profile top beat.
Torque MC? Oh, Torque Me. Torque Me. Someone put so
Remind me.
Yeah, a reminder like Torque Me.
I'm looking at the if we didn't damage the flywheel because I remember nicking a couple of the teeth with the thing. Definitely ruined the motor. But this block is toast either way. We got a replacement right there. Replacement block.
That's the most important part. Everything else here,
Let's get to it.
I'm happy. Look, the harness is fine.
Buddy,
Чи не так работает? Or does it come with the plug?
bro expects me to fix this.
Well, move your hand.
Blood expects me to fix this. I'm definitely just gonna solder that back on, yeah.
And send it?
No, monkey. Got the Subi motor. We'll get these heads popped on and we'll get to set it. Alright, we're going in.
I'm crazy with it. I just lifted the whole motor and
Slipped it in?
Yes. The chain's probably.
I said let me just record it first. Bro just picks it up. In 2 months, we haven't been doing any work on this thing. Alright, we have. We were,
Bro,
I mean,
we were waiting for parts for
yes.
like a month.
And once they arrived, we had the wrong parts for a while.
Well, it was just the valve covers that we waited. We lost 2 weeks because of that. My fault, but it is what it is.
Alright, anyways, we're getting in.
Done.
Yeah, pretty much lined up. We're 5 minutes into actually lowering the motor in. So, it's going pretty
Put
good.
it on Marketplace.
We had to take the motor out again because the throwout bearing is clapped.
Well, it wasn't clapped.
We also didn't install it correctly.
I clapped by hitting it with a piece of steel trying to fix the clutch that I knew was broken.
The issue was our pressure plate. This whole entire assembly right here, it was just hanging on there.
It was on the throwout bearing.
Yeah, well, we didn't know. It was just connected.
Ooh, that was interesting.
Seemed fine.
Something fell out of here.
I don't know. We didn't know because we just put it on there like we would on our Nissans.
Push style, but it's pull style apparently.
Yeah, whatever that means. Anyway, just trying to load this up so it works.
That is crunchy.
Well, maybe you got a weld in there.
Nah, it's just crunchy.
It was good before we pulled it out. Anyways, back it up. All good? Huh?
Plugging in the cob.
Okay, your back window's open.
I did open it. Go check the cob. Check
Yeah, watch the cob. Go give it a test drive. Bye bye.